In this mini lesson, you will be introduced to the concept of probability of drawing a card from a pack of 52 cards. You will learn interesting facts around deck of cards, suits in a deck of cards, and types of cards in a deck. You will also know more about number of cards in a deck and face cards in a deck by gathering more knowledge about 52 card deck and spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs in a pack of cards. Here's a trivia fact for you. Did you know that the playing cards that we use today has transformed from when they began centuries ago? It is said it took about 100 years that involved travel that made the present day 52 card deck culturally diverse as it was used by travelers back then. It was believed that playing cards originated from China during the Tang Dynasty. Do you think if you were given the well shuffled deck of cards shown above, would you draw a queen in the first go? Well, you may or may not draw a queen in the first go. Is it possible to say that you might end up drawing a king, and instead of a card which is queen from those 52 cards? Yes, it is possible you might end up drawing a king instead of a queen from those 52 cards, as you may or may not draw a queen in the first go. Stay tuned to find out answers like probability of drawing a king. What do you mean by a deck of cards? Deck of cards is the term used for a set of 52 cards consisting of different types of cards. It is also commonly referred to as a pack of cards. What are the types of cards in a deck? We can classify types of cards in a deck in two ways: based on color of cards, based on suits. Best on color of cards. There are two colors of cards in each deck: red, black. The suits, which are represented by red cards, are hearts and diamonds, while the suits represented by black cards are spades and clubs. There are 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Let's learn about the suits in a deck of cards. Based on suits. In a deck of cards are the representations of red and black color on the cards. Based on suits, the types of cards in a deck are spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs. There are 52 cards in a deck. Each card can be categorized into 4 suits constituting 13 cards each. There is one more categorization of a deck of cards: face cards, number cards, aces. Face cards. These cards are also known as court cards. They are kings, queens, and jacks in all 4 suits. Number cards. All the cards from 2 to 10 in any suit are called the number cards. These cards have numbers on them, along with each suit being equal to the number on number cards. Aces. There are 4 aces in every deck, one of every suit. Now that you know all about facts about a deck of cards, you can draw a card from a deck and find its probability easily. Thank you, everyone. That's all for now from SMPCACADEMY.